tension. It's choreographed by Donnie Allen. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn all this tension. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do right and left, skate, skate, diagonal shuffles. So you're going to bring your right foot slightly in and push it out. Bring your left foot slightly in and then push it out. Then we're going to do a right diagonal shuffle, shuffling into that 130 diagonal, stepping right forward, left together, right forward. You're now going to repeat that starting with your left. So you're going to bring your left foot in, push it out, right foot in, push it out, and then you're going to do a left diagonal shuffle, shuffling into 1030, stepping left forward, right together, left forward. And you want to make sure your hips are pointed towards the left. So let's try that with some counts, doing your skate. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, you're going to cross rock your right over your left, recover back onto your left and shuffle to the right, stepping right side, left together, right side. You're now going to cross rock your left over your right, recover onto your right foot. We're going to do a quarter shuffle, stepping left side, right together, and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our diagonal shuffle with our left. Hips are pointed towards the left. You're doing your cross rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do walk, walk, and anchor steps. So we're going to step forward with our right, step forward with your left. You're now going to bring your right foot in and behind your left, having the arch of your right foot slightly at your left heel, putting weight onto that right foot. Recover your weight back onto your left and then step back with your right, squaring yourself back up to 9 o'clock. We're now going to do a left coaster step, stepping left back, right together, left forward. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, doing a hip bump. So you're going to turn over that left shoulder as you touch your right toe to the right side to face 6 o'clock. You're going to bump your right hip up, bump down to the left, and then you're going to bump to the right and take weight onto your right foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your walk and anchor. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do another quarter turning hip bump. Turning over our left shoulder, you're going to make a quarter turn, touching your left toe forward, and as you touch, you're going to bump your hip slightly forward with the left, back with the right, and then you're going to bump it forward and take weight onto your left foot. We're now going to do a kickball change. So you're going to kick your right foot low and forward, step your right next to your left, then step your left next to your right. We're now going to point our right toe to the right side, and you're going to hold. You're then going to quickly step your right next to your left and point your left toe to the left side and hold, and then quickly step your left next to your right, and then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our quarter hip bump sit. You're going to do another quarter turning hip bump. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, hold 6 and 7, hold 8, and ready to go into your skate shuffles. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your skate. Skate, skate, diagonal shuffle. Skate, skate, diagonal shuffle. Cross rock, recover, side shuffle. Cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle. Walk, walk, anchor, step, coaster step, quarter hip bump, sit, quarter hip bump, sit, kickball change, point, hold, switch, point, hold, switch. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your skates. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, hold 6 and 7, hold 8, and then you're ready to dance all the way around. You don't have to worry about any tags or restarts. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your skates. We're skating right, left, and your shuffle. Left, right, and shuffle. Cross rock, recover, side shuffle. Cross rock, recover, quarter shuffle. Now your walk. Walk and anchor, coaster step, quarter hip bump with a sit, quarter hip bump. Now your kickball step, point, hold, switch, skate. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, hold 6 and 7, hold 8, and skate. Skate, shuffle, skate, skate, shuffle. Cross rock, recover side shuffle. Cross rock, recover quarter shuffle. Walking anchor step, coaster step. Now your quarter hip bump, kick ball change. Now your points, point, hold step, skate. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, hold 6 and 7, hold 8, and then you'll dance the rest of the dance through. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like so you can hopefully rock this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn all this tension. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.